Okay, so for this experiment, we're looking at pH. And so here I've got, here I've got the 10 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide, and I'm going to add baking soda to it. And I wish I had a funnel, but I don't. So, definite source of error. If we were at school, we would use a funnel. Okay, Philip. Okay, so we've got our baking soda in there. Now we're going to, just as usual, add the catalase. Okay. And there we go.
You're losing bubbles.
Well, not most of them. You're right, someone out, they like overshot the graduated cylinder and they hit the back. Not too many. I don't think.
Oh.
Okay, we have 8 milliliters at 30 seconds. Okay, 1 minute, 9 milliliters. At 1 minute 30, we're still at 9 milliliters. At 2 minutes, we're at 9.5 milliliters. And the last thing I'm going to do for this one is I'm going to use a pH indicator solution that I have for what we're going to, the next lab we're doing. And I'm going to add just a tiny bit of that and see what color the solution that's left in here turns. So I thought that would be a cool comparison point for each one. Okay, so here I've got the remainders. It's not really mixing together, is it? But I guess you could say it's kind of a purpley. It'll be interesting to compare anyway to the others. Okay, cool.